Right, I think I've finally worked out this bracket as well. So it actually fits in behind the actual clamps for the mudguard and then bolts in place. And then I've fed the line through. And then obviously the speedo cable will come down through here and then into, oh, let's move around, into the speedo drive at the bottom. So I'm glad that's now sorted. So right, the other thing I want to have a look at as well is I've actually picked up the actual cover. It does kind of cover the brake splitter, but the thing I worry about is obviously a lot of chrome, so I may go to a black bowl. So let's get that installed and have a look. Alright, so it's just removing the 10mm bolts. That should be better. Get the brackets around, actual spacers around the right way. It's just through the screw and a knot on the back. Yeah, quite pleased with that. It does cover it up nicely. I say probably go to a black bowl now, because that is quite a lot of chrome. But let me know what you think in the comments box below. Right, so thanks for joining me on that one. It was just a short one today. It was just to say these pieces have turned up. I just wanted to get them in place. It gives me a better idea on the master cylinder. Obviously now I've got the gap and the clearance. I say the bars I had in here previously were just mock-up bars. They were just an old set I have hanging around. But it's nice to see proper bars on here. The tank, we will be attacking that later on, as well as the tail unit and the side panels. So the seat, I've actually got another seat for it. That's wrapped away and packed away at the moment. But no, good to see these bars going on. Really happy with the brake pipe going back to how it should be. I need to look into obviously the dust covers. One side is fine, the other side is wrong, so I need to query that. But that's not too much of an issue. It just means obviously I left it as it was. But no, happy with how it's come out. So I can't wait to actually get on to paint, get this tank stripped. That's going to be quite a long, dirty job. Probably use the polycarbide wheel that I've used before. Obviously I'll have to cordon everything off because it is quite dusty, throws up a lot of dirt and dust, but it will get me back down to bare metal and then I can start again. I've looked into the paint. I can get hold of as close as possible. I can't find the original factory paint. I'm going to attempt it myself, so it will be a rattle can job as I did with the Hayabusa, which came out okay. So I'm going to attempt it. It's not a bad process. It's a primer, a base coat which is silver metallic, then the candy top coat and then the lacquer. So I should be able to manage that. But that just about wraps it up. Hopefully next week we should be on to the cylinder head, get back on the engine, get that engine sorted and crack on with this project. So join me again next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.